trucks, we can't take care of our customers. Therefore, if we can't take care of our farmers and our customers, we wouldn't be in business. So Ag Technologies has about 30 fleet vehicles. We cover the Southeast. We have them from Florida all the way up to North Carolina. When a customer's down, we have to respond. Say that tractor's broke down in the middle of the field, that's what we have to go to it. We don't know what the weather's going to bring. Trucks work out the best for us. So critical that we have the camper shells and the bed slides and all to outfit the trucks to take care of their needs in the field. We can take care of our customers all at one time versus several trips back and forth. We're on site and we take care of them. And that way the farmers, less downtime. That's critical in our industry because the less downtime the farmers have, the quicker they can get back going. The camper shells, it's worked out great for us. It gives us the room that we need to house all the equipment, all the parts, all the cables and stuff it takes to get the job done. Cal tells you something, he means it, and he's going to do it for us. He knows how critical it is for us to get to the field and get going. He also just helps me out, convenience, taking the trucks back and forth for me. That way I don't have to send guys down there. I cannot afford to have my guys not available to go take care of our customers. And so with Tough Trucking, they just take care of all our customer service needs.